Do you own a Tesla Cyber Truck and want to change the color, maybe something a little bit more unique? Here at Ceramic Pro Nashville, we offer color change paint protection film and can have a wide variety of different colors to choose from to match exactly what you were looking for. Unlike traditional vinyl, color change PPF changes the color of the vehicle, designed to last and has an amazing finish. As you can see in this video, the texture and clarity of the film looks even better than a brand new car's paint. Here at Ceramic Pro Nashville, we are Nashville's most trusted facility for Cybetruck PPF installation. All of our installers are extremely skilled and knowledgeable, and you can expect for the final product to exceed your expectations. Not only does the PPF change the color of your Cybetruck, but it will protect the vehicle's finish from rock chips, scratches, etching, marring, and any other defects that can be acquired from driving the vehicle. Our paint protection film is built to last and endure the strongest elements in weathering. That is why we back all of our installs with a lifetime warranty so that you have peace of mind. So now it's your time to stand out and drive in style while protecting your Cybetruck. Give us a call today for a free quote.